Hello, in this video we bring to our attention a clean openwork knit inspired by a Brunello Cuccinelli sweater. I collect such knits in a separate playlist, which you can see at this link. The pattern is 4 loops and 2 rows. The number of loops in my sample is a multiple of 4 plus 3 loops for symmetry. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side. In this row, we will make a decrease of 2 loops from 3 by knitting 3 loops together, and add 2 yarn over loop to restore the number of stitches. Start with a yarn over loop. Change the places of the first 2 stitches, so that the second comes in front. Knit the third and pass it through the first 2. Make another yarn over loop. Knit the next loop 1 row down. Again. Yarn over, knit 3 together. Make yarn over, and knit 1 loop from the bottom row. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 wrong side, make only purl loops from the beginning to the end of the row. This easy to make knit, because of its beautiful texture, and because of its laconic appearance, will decorate any garment in your summer wardrobe. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations, and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.